For a second, forget the result. What Ankit did here is truly deserve a lot of respect. Ankit Bainpuria has only 10 days to grapple Arman Sarukian. Literally 10 days against Arman. That's nothing in this sport. And Ankit stepped in against a world-class UFC fighter who himself is a great grappler. Think about it. A lot of people might not take this fight against Arman, and Ankit said yes. That tells a lot about Ankit's courage. To be honest, yes, that was expecting. Arman has won, but for me, this was not about who has won. I knew it that Ankit might not win this, but for Ankit, that will be a great learning. Yes, Arman has won. That was I was expecting, and he showed us that why he's elite fighter. To be honest, a lot of people were expecting Arman to win, but this is not about winning or losing. This was about experience. A lot of Indian people were backing Ankit, and rightly so. In those 3 minutes of grappling match, Ankit were doing well. To be honest, against Arman, he was pushing. He was trying his best. Again, that's the training what you can do, guys. These 3 minutes probably will be the, I think, highest learning Ankit has ever taken. To be, according to me, that's how I am seeing it. This is how growth really happens. Ankit will be ready next time, more ready, I would say. And obviously huge respect to Arman as well. He didn't supposed to take this fight, and I don't know what his manager is doing. He's making Arman fighting everywhere. But again, kudos to Arman to take this fight against Ankit. Win or lose, it doesn't matter to me, to be very honest. Ankit will come back as he has said it. All respect to Arman and Ankit, man. That is my take on Arman versus Ankit fight. What's your take? Please do let me in the comments. This is Fight Nama. I'll see you in the next one.